Hi, M5897. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to all the employer in Hong Kong. My name is Anna May Voltron. I am 34 years old. I born on July 6, 1991. I live in Tansa, Cavite, Philippines. I have two daughters of 15 and 10 years old. I have trained as housekeeping in Canadian Tourism Hospitality Institute, and I have 4 years experience working here in the Philippines as a babysitter. My main duties are taking care of a child, cleaning, cooking, ironing, and washing clothes. And also, I work as room attendant in Manila Peninsula Hotel.
Okay. How about your civil status?
I'm single with a live-in partner, sir.
Your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Highest educational attainment?
High school graduate.
Okay. Since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check if the diaper is dirty, and then if she is or he's still crying, I will check the temperature, and if she or he is hungry, I will give him milk. And
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything, what will you do?
I will call the parents, sir, to inform that the BP is still crying, even though I have given all the needs. And
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
for the future of my kids, and Hong Kong is the safest country and has a high salary.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong
As
Kong?
long as the employer wants me to stay, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. And how will you learn to cook?
To watch video and buy a cookbook.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provides?
Yes, sir, I will.
Okay. It is okay to you to cut your hair into short because I saw that you have a long hair.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
How about share jobs as a helper?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly? Help
Yes,
them go
sir.
to bed?
Yes,
To
sir.
bathroom?
Yes, sir.
How about helping them go to hospital for checkups?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes, sir, I will.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please give me a chance to work with you. I will not promise anything, but I will do my best to do my duties and responsibility. And also, I am loyal, honest, and trustful.
Uh,
Hardworking also.
okay. Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Miss
sir.
Anna May. Thank you.